Go na ba? Sabi mo go.
Mel, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mel!
Happy birthday, Miel.
Yun lang.
Hi, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Happy Mel!
Ano?
Hi, Miel. Happy birthday. Mama. Kiss, kiss. Chup, chup. Yun lang. Bye.
Hi, Miel. Happy birthday.
Hi, Mel, happy birthday! Ako si Zen.
Happy birthday. Miel.
Hi, Nay. Happy birthday. We love you so much. Sana naging masaya ka ngayon. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Happy birthday, Miel.
Happy birthday, Mel! I love you. More blessings to come. And more birthdays to come, syempre. And happy birthday! Happy birthday! Love you.
Hi, Mel. Happy birthday. Stay pretty, stay gorgeous, be happy.
Bebe, happy birthday. I love you. I'm always here for you. Thanks for being my friend. Ingat ka palagi. Dito lang ako lagi para sa'yo. Happy birthday. One.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. And hopefully, meet niyo yung pwede mo dahil sobra siya mag-box out ng mga ka-family. Yun ang birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, man. Happy birthday, Mariel.
Happy birthday, Mel!
Happy birthday, Miel. I love you. Sana walang magbago sa atin. Sa friendship namin kasi. I love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Miel. Love you.
Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Miel.
Dumayos ka nga. Hindi ka ako Ano yan ah?
Oh, yun. Happy birthday. Yun na.
Happy birthday, Mel.
Wait. Ay, ano daw?
Ay,
Happy birthday, Miel. Love you.
Miel. Kiss. Keep it short and simple. Happy birthday.
Go.
Happy birthday, Miel! Miel. Muriel. Happy birthday. Wala kang pera, kaya mag-thank you ka sa amin. Surprise naman. Balik dito na, kaya magsasama ka sa happy birthday, Miel. Happy birthday, Miel! Happy birthday, Miel. I love you. Bye.
Hi, Mel. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Sana makuha mo lahat ng gusto mo and we're here for you always. I love you. Mwah! Happy birthday!
Hi, Miel. Happy birthday. I love you. Pucha, ilang taon na ba tayo magkaibigan? 7 years, shit. Ano, tanda na natin. Basta, kung mag-third year na tayo ngayon taon. First, 7 years. 7 years, oh. Si Marcel. Tapos, andito lang kami palagi sa'yo. Red Core kami. Nila Mitch, nila Mars, nila Jean. We love you.
Hi, Biel. Happy birthday. I love you so much. 18 ka na. Na-extra sa little pasensyahan niyo na. Kasi, happy birthday. I love you so much. Nandito lang ako always for you. I love you. Eh, ito pala si Martin. Ang pangit ko talaga niya. Ayun, no? Ayun si Mar. Sa babae. Ayun si Nina. Baka dyan message ko. Ay, Miel, happy birthday. I love you so much.
Mel, happy birthday.